I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study trigonometry for JEE. Start by building a strong foundation in basic concepts like angles, ratios, and identities. Dedicate time to understanding the derivations of key formulas, as this deepens your comprehension. Consistent practice with diverse problem types is crucial for developing speed and accuracy. Remember, a solid grasp of the basics makes advanced topics much more manageable. Next, dive into trigonometric equations, learning how to find general solutions for various forms. Inverse trigonometric functions are another vital area. Pay close attention to their domains and ranges. Solving problems involving heights and distances will help you apply trigonometric principles practically. Regular revision of formulas and concepts will reinforce your learning and improve recall during exams. For advanced problem solving, focus on techniques for simplifying complex trigonometric expressions and series. Understanding sum and product formulas is key to transforming equations efficiently. Also, dedicate time to problems related to the properties of triangles, including sine and cosine rules. These advanced topics often appear in JEE, so consistent practice is essential for mastery and achieving a high score. Finally, consistent revision is non-negotiable. Create flashcards for formulas and review them daily to ensure they are ingrained in your memory. Solving previous year's JEE questions under timed conditions will simulate the actual exam environment and highlight areas needing more attention. For those looking to improve their financial literacy, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. You can find a link to this book and other helpful deals in the description below. Keep practicing and you'll succeed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.